Today we are starting with Chapter 4 Agriculture, and here we will be focusing on the types of farming. Agriculture is a primary activity. 2/3 of India's population is engaged in agricultural activities. Since agriculture is an age-old economic activity in India, farming varies from subsistence to commercial type. Besides food grains, it also provides raw materials for various agro-based industries. Some agricultural products like tea, coffee and spices etc. are significant part of export from the country. Moreover, other sectors of the economy are heavily dependent on agriculture for their growth. Now we will be focusing on the types of farming. Let's start with primitive subsistence farming. In this type of farming, the agriculture is practiced in small patches of land with the help of primitive technique and tools like hoe, dhow, digging sticks and by family members or community labor. It depends upon monsoon, natural fertility of the soil and suitability of other environmental conditions to the crops grown. What does slash and burn agriculture means? It is a form of shifting agriculture where the natural vegetation is cut down and burned as a method of clearing the land for cultivation. And then when the plot becomes infertile, the farmer moves to a new fresh plot and does the same again. This process is repeated over and over. Now let's focus on intensive subsistence farming. This type of farming is practiced in areas of high population pressure on land. It is done where high doses of biochemical inputs and irrigation are used for obtaining higher production. Now let's focus on commercial farming. The main characteristic of this type of farming is the use of higher doses of modern inputs, for example, high yielding variety that are HYV seeds, chemical fertilizers, insecticides and pesticides in order to obtain higher productivity. Next point is on plantation agriculture. It is a type of commercial farming practiced in tropical and subtropical regions. Some of the characteristics related to it are: a single crop is grown over large area, it is capital intensive and done with migrant labor, all produce is used as raw material in industries such as tea, coffee, rubber, banana, sugarcane, etc. Plantation has interface of agriculture and industry both. So here it comes to an end. Thank you.